The Voice of the People Party (VPP) today petitioned the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to convene a special session of the State Assembly in order to allow members to discuss and debate on the need to review the present reservation policy. In a letter addressed to the Chief Minister, VPP General Secretary Dr. Ricky Sinkom said that the party would like to draw his attention to the vexed and pertinent issue on the roster system and the state job reservation policy, which is indeed a grave matter of concern across the state that warrants a serious debate, discussion and resolution. He also stated that the party so far is yet to decide to approach other political parties in the opposition to demand for convening of the special session.
That is what we had taken this first step to request the Chief Minister as the head of the state to do the needful. Step by step. Can take a first step. At the end, in second, say, the group should be press.